Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you what's in the box of this Apple AirPods Pro. So I've purchased them just because I already got an iPhone Pro Max and I want to have some AirPods. Obviously when I work on editing videos, I need some kind of, headsets and just to edit the video, because sometimes when I do edit videos on my laptop, it's quite loud and I want to keep it quiet. So I purchased this AirPods second generation, says USB-C. So I want to check what's inside this box. So I decided to make this really short video about this. So let's have a look what's inside. But before that, just feel free to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to put thumbs up. Any questions, ask in the comments, and I'll be really happy to reply back. So let's have a look what's in this box. Cool. So the quality of this box is the same as every Apple product, white and pretty premium quality. And now we're gonna take these stickers off. It's been told, I've asked at this local shop where usually I purchase all my tech gear. They said that with Apple products I'm not allowed to return them back once it is opened the box. For some reason with other companies works, if you do open the box and you change your mind, you can return the product, but with Apple it's a different thing. So it's a good thing I'm making this video right now as well, just in case something's broken. So we're gonna take this sticky thing off. As usual, just take them off, and that's what's in the box. It says designed by Apple in California, as usual. Zoom in a bit. That's it. Hopefully you can see that. And it's probably manual as well. It says everything about them AirPods. Looks like you can charge on USB-C, and you also can charge using wireless charger as well, which is really cool. And that's it. And here, that's the AirPod itself. Looks very small, to be honest, really small for what it cost, like 230 quid. It's quite expensive, to be honest, for just this, and I will need probably to test it and make another review about this product. But for now, this is about unboxing the AirPods Pro. So they got this little sticky thing around. Just take it off. I think that's the AirPods. If you open, pretty small, and they're white as well. For some people, might not be ideal. The white color. There you go. And let's have a look what's in the box. Here you go. So I've got charger as well, which is pretty cool. And I got them. I don't know how the buds. I'll call them, if you want to change them. So it's pretty good to have them. You never know when I'll check the size of my ear. And this is the charger. It's a cool charger. I like the charger because it's not plastic and it's like material, something new. I got the same one for my MacBook Pro and my iPhone Pro Max. So it's pretty cool. So that's it. That's pretty much what's in the box. It's nothing really special apart from AirPods itself, the charger, and a pair of buds for your ear. So yes, again, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, ask in the comments. Thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.